In this video, I have some great tips to build your Facebook following coming up next. Hi, I'm Josh from the University of La Verne Small Business Development Center. And here at the SBDC, we provide business owners with free one-on-one consulting and business tip videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Are you looking to build a Facebook audience for your business? Whether you've been in business for years or you're just starting out, figuring out how to use social media to grow your business is a challenge. So here is a list of 4 tips that you can use to build your Facebook following. Tip number 1 is to contact your existing customers. If you've been in business for a while and have existing customers who are on Facebook too, you want to let them know once you join. You can do this a few different ways by putting your Facebook like button on your website that connects to your business page so they know they can connect with you there. If you have an existing email list, let them know you're on Facebook and have a follow button in the email and an easy call to action to click. If you have a brick and mortar location, post your Facebook page somewhere where it's visible for the customer to follow and get all the latest information. You can also offer an incentive, but I'll touch on that later. Tip number 2 is to create some great content. So you've already got existing customers on Facebook and even tapped some friends and family, but you're looking to grow. Time to create some great content. But that's great, you say. What do I post? And how can I make it? Content creation can be as easy as taking an hour out of your day or week and saving some links to interesting articles and pictures related to your business. You can share them and even schedule them to get posted automatically for the next week. Here's what I mean. If you own an ice cream shop, make sure you post about National Ice Cream Day or some other events that you have including ice cream. It's as easy as that. If you want to step it up, that same ice cream shop can show through YouTube videos how to make each of their signature creations, interview an owner, and get some testimonials from customers and more. Just don't forget to share all that content on Facebook. So if you just started out on Facebook and in business in general, then you may want to invest a little cash into the mix to build your following. Remember what I said about giving an incentive for following your business on Facebook? Here's how. You can promote an advertisement to get people interested in your page by offering a free product or discount. You can even run a picture or video ad that tells people how great your business is. The last tip is to build a tribe. This means starting a Facebook group. The more niche your group is, the better it is to get die-hard, like-minded followers to join up and offer them great value for being in the group. It's like an exclusive club. You can also advertise to get people to join the group, pitch your services every so often, but the idea is to create consistent content to turn these followers into raving fans and have them advocate for you. And there you are, 4 tips to help you build an audience on Facebook for your business. Each of these tips can be used as a standalone tactic or as part of a larger Facebook strategy. Speaking of Facebook and digital strategies, did you know that we have a small business blog where you can learn the basics of starting up on Facebook or Instagram? Check out that link down in the description below. Question of the day. Are you using these tips to build your business on Facebook? How are you building your audience? And do you have any tips of your own? Drop those down in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, give us a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss future videos to help grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.